If you're looking to update your LinkedIn profile without letting everyone know that you got a new job or that you made an update to your LinkedIn profile, this is how you make the change to your privacy settings on your phone. So you're going to go to the corner at the top here where there's a picture of you. And from there, you will go to settings down here. You'll then click on visibility. From there, you will see that you have various settings that you can adjust. The one that you want to go to is share job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries from profile. So you want to toggle that off. So it's already off for me, but essentially that is how you make sure that when you share any update on your LinkedIn profile, that people don't get notified of this every single time. I have another video where I share 8 strategies that will help you build your LinkedIn profile. You can watch that one right here.